And so let's just take that into a time of meditation together right now. We begin simply by centering ourselves right here, right now, right where we are in that peaceful presence, in that light, and in that love of spirit that is us. In this moment, we know and affirm that that presence is here, that it is as close to us as breathing in and breathing out, that it is there ready to guide and direct our experience of this day, of this week, this month, even this year. It is a constant support, always available. And so we ease into that knowing right here and right now. In this divine moment, we call forth our spiritual understanding of will. That spiritual will that directs our choices toward a higher awareness of our divine nature. We ground ourselves right here and right now in that spiritual will. Feeling a deep connection to both will and our power of understanding. We allow those two divine qualities, the divine quality to know and the divine quality to know what is ours to do, to guide us and direct us in this moment. And so, right here, right now, we allow something to come to mind. It could be a issue we've been struggling with. It can be a problem that's been troubling us. It can simply be something that we've been needing to make a decision on, that we've been putting off. Whatever it is, we allow that to come to our mind right here and right now. And into this place of unlimited possibility, we allow our divine will and our divine understanding to illuminate this experience, to guide us to the divine solution that is ours. And so we simply take the time to listen to what it is that Spirit is guiding us to do, to allow Spirit's will and Spirit's understanding to move through us as the powerful forces that they are, as we rest in this place of guidance in the silence. And ever so gently, we allow our attention to return to this time, to this place, carrying with it the understanding that we've received during our time of spiritual communion with the one that we are. Bringing that divine knowledge back to this time and this place, we pause and rest in a sense of gratitude as we allow that deep thanksgiving to wash over us, both for the answers we have received and for the knowledge and truth that we can call forth our will and our understanding whenever we need. And so it is with that power, with the awareness of that power and that presence, that we say, thank you, spirits. And so it is.